Doesn't have very many proxy sensors above certain spots.
I need one of these at home.
I think that's about what a Roomba was supposed to be.
Nah.
All right, so that is insane. Thank you for watching. Sam's Club is amazing. I haven't been here in a long time. I grew up here with my mom, so her being passed away, it was kind of brought back a lot of nostalgia being here. But who the heck knew they could outfit the floor scrubber with some robot stuff and some what looked like solar panels. Obviously had some better, didn't have, I could set my phone on it, so proxy switches, there wasn't any light guards or nothing. So, all right, later everybody.